Hello, welcome to another Dull Night video. This time, we will talk about how to get original ads and how to avoid headlines from repeating each other. When creating ads in Google Ads, we must ensure that each ad talks about the specific feature of the ad group it belongs to. It's important to fill all available spaces with text that add value and stand out from the competition, and for these to not get confused with messages from other ad groups. Often, account managers work on a carefully planned structure to differentiate our products and services or to whom we are addressing. But when it comes to creating ads, we fill them with almost identical messages that sound very flat. Then, what's all the work for in creating this structure? If you're not talking to the specific customer profile, how do you expect them to click on the ad and get encouraged to convert? Don't worry, this happens to more SEM managers than you think, not to mention almost all of them, as good ideas and time are scarce resources and we're aware of it. For this, Dolnai has designed an ad creator that analyzes your account in depth so you can understand your situation. Firstly, it will show you a graph like this, where you will see among other KPIs your coverage, which is the percentage of complete assets of your ads, and your diversity, which is the percentage of unique text in your account. The ideal coverage is 100%, which you can achieve if you apply the text suggestions for your ads that Dolnai will show you later. The diversity percentage shown in the example is 3%, which is extremely low, but this can also be improved with new suggestions. In the new responsive search ads section, you'll find your ads with new suggestions to replace the assets that were repeated, missing, or had no impressions. These suggestions are based on the content of your account and your website, the style of your messages, your structure, and other algorithms based on millions of data that have been learning that your messages sell more for this specific account. You will no longer have to fill in and think about these texts one by one, but review the proposals, edit the ones you don't like, and upload them directly to the platform with Google's editor, since Dolnai's platform presents them to you in a web format and another downloadable Excel format so you can work peacefully. In addition, this ad creator generates text in different languages, even if there are several within the same account. Try it on your account and free yourself from the burden of spending hours trying to optimize what Dolnai can do for you in seconds. Thank you again for watching and learning more about the Dolnai ad creator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Until next time.